Okay, got my feed delivered. It's pretty hard to make a video around here, and if I keep stopping for everything, I'll just never get it done. But what I wanted to show was a very intricate component of this grow system, and it's irrigation. So this is what it looks like when it's going. And you see that? And that is not exactly easy to accomplish. It could either be very expensive or very frustrating, or both. I just happened to have lucked out, and I had a neighbor that owned this system and used it for a lot of years, and he wanted to pass it on to a younger buck, and so that's what happened. Didn't exactly just pass it on, and it was broken. I had to fix the pump. And it just so happens that I had a 1946 Alice Chalmers tractor that I bought it as an antique, but I got it running, but that was years ago. So all these pieces came together to make this happen. And then you got to have a source of water too. Without water on a farm, you can't do anything. But I'm sure you can hear that baby running down there by the pond. I'll kind of show it to you if I can. I don't know how well that shows up, but it's a gas tractor made in 1946, and I can hear it starting to sputter a little bit. So what that means is that I'm starting to suck a little bit of air. So I'm going to walk down and shut that off. But this system up here, I have it planted about halfway with vegetables for the table, like I said. The other half of it, I'm yet to planting. I've yet to plant it, but I'm going to plant it with my standard mangalitza salad bar, I guess you call it. I plant turnips and field peas and things like that. And here's, as a matter of fact, here's a field that I planted that way. The pigs have gone through and eaten out all the stuff that they really like the best, which is the field peas are all gone. There are pigs in here right now. You can't see them, but they're in here. When I first came down this morning, they came to greet me. I think there's 6 of them, 6,000 here. And right now they're taking their siesta. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. Okay, well, here's a close-up of the tractor and the pump. And then this 4-inch line takes it all the way up the hill. And the pond, this is interesting too, so I guess I better give you a look-see at this. The pond is green. And okay, that's enough water on the field. The pond's green, and it's got a lot of biology in it. We used to swim in it, but it's got leeches in it now, so we don't swim in it. But that's okay. We have other places to swim. But that biology that's in there is being pumped up on the dirt. All right, so if I take water from a well, let's say, that's clean enough to drink, it doesn't have a lot of biology in it. And I really want that because I want a diverse soil base. You know, I want it to have a lot of bacteria, and if I can put algae on it, oh boy, that's really nice. So that's a little bit more of this grow system, fill in the edges of how it looks. It's Mark from Baker's Green Acres. Anyone can farm.